what's up everybody? It's your girl SJ here. I'm back for another video, and if you came back to the channel to watch this video with me, thank you very much for coming to the channel. And if you are subscribing, thank you very much for doing that, and please go ahead and hit that like button right now. Let's get this Torrid. It's Fat Girls Haul on, okay? Let's get started. Alright, you guys, let's get this fat girl video started. Yeah, that's how I feel today. I went to Torrid. Ugh. It was supposed to be the best shopping experience ever. Why? Because last week when I went to Torrid, the freaking Torrid store was closed. Like, what? It's noon 30. That's 12:30. And the doors closed, dark, everything. I'm like, what? Now look, I barely had time to get out here to get these dang on hot cash. Y'all know what that is, where you get these dollars for, and you get half off of your purchase for the, you know. So if you spend $200, you get, you know, I mean, so yeah. Did that just make sense, y'all? Okay, so basically, if you go to the store before this time, you spend so much money, you get $25 hot cash for everything. So as you build them up, when you go back and they have the special, it's like you spend $200 and you turn these cash things in, and basically you only have to pay $100. So I'm like, okay, I'm here, and this people is closed. I'm so mad. You know, I was so mad. I sat there. I said, ding, ding, ding. Call corporate. What's up? Because I'm trying to shop and get these hot cash. I barely can find time to get out here. I finally made it, and it's in the middle of the day and this place is closed. That lady put me on hold. She didn't believe me. She came back to the phone and she said, well, nobody's here from the store. Well, I doubt that too. It's dark in there. I'm like, okay. And she said, well, I'm going to call. And she called me, see what's going on. And she called me probably about 30 minutes, hour later. Well, yeah, you can go back in now. We having somebody come in. I said, well, yeah, I can't really make it back in. I mean, my schedule's tight. It is super tight. I said, I can make it back next Thursday. Well, we're extending the offer to Wednesday. But can y'all extend it to Thursday? Because I really like to get in there, but this is when I can get back. And she's like, you know what? We'll go ahead and do that. Well, thank you. I sure appreciate it. So shout out to all those people up there in the Torrid corporate office that gave me that opportunity to come back in today to use my dollars. I appreciate y'all. I seriously do, because y'all didn't have to do that. But I got in that store, okay? I was going for my sporting outfits is what I was doing. That was the go. And so, I was so disappointed. I'm sitting here thinking, okay, yeah, I'm going to wear a size 2. I'm good, you know? No. I found this little cutie here. Oh. Yeah. Cute. Cute, baby. Do you know, this is what I end up buying, but what I got in that video is a size 2. That's what I normally would grab. Girl, this is a size 3. What's going on? What's going on here? Because I didn't like the way the 2 was fitting, so I had to go up to the 3. I will tell you one thing about this. I like the band. The band is really thick. It's like stronger than my elastic band stuff that I use. It's like, it's really thick and it's really nice. This is really nicely made. It's thick. The straps are in good. It's gonna hold you, girl. It's gonna hold you. I love this sport bra here. That's why it came home with me today. Okay. Now with that sports bra, I tried on some elastic jogging pants. Now they have the band across the top with the little tie, and these have a really nice stretch on them. And what made these neat is that they had it at the bottom. I thought, this is really cool. And they make them fitted. Now, this was a size 2. Yep, it was a size 2. I sure really wish I could have got a 3. That's how crazy it's getting to be for me. I thought I was doing a little bit of intermittent and now it's not working. What? Ha ha ha. Give me the strength. I'm getting to the point all over again that I don't want to try on no clothes. The numbers on the scales are down. Why can't I fit this like I want to? Look at it. No. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting mad at Torrid. I mean, I guess I can't get mad at them. Well, I don't know. You think they might started making the clothes a little smaller, maybe? Yeah. I wish they could say, yes, we started making the clothes a little smaller. And it just happens to be the ones you tried on. And be like, yeah. But, of course, nobody said that while I was in the store, so. Man! Dressing room, and I'm trying on my next thing, okay? Now I'm thinking, hey, look at me. This is cute. I ain't reading what the shirt say. I just know it's cute. It's pink. It's got that. Yeah. My glasses are orange. I guess it is really pink, right? Like, okay, this is cute. And then I read the name. Fight like a girl. What? I'm too old to be trying to fight, but I will hold mine down if I need to. Don't get it twisted. But because it was cute, I said, let me try this on. Now, this came out really nice. I was really impressed with this. Check it out. It was definitely worth me getting. As you can see, I brought it home. Now, this I don't know why, but I ended up getting a size 3. It was the first thing I could grab because they put these things up so high. I'm like, everybody ain't 6 feet, okay? And then they don't have the little hanger thing so you can do it yourself. You got to wait on that one person that's in there because the other people don't come in for another hour because they thought it was going to be slow. Got it in a size 3, though. And then check out the pants, okay? Check them out. Let me know what you think on these pants. I don't know what it was about them pants, but you know what? You see they didn't come home with me. I got a little daring and tried on this piece of lingerie. Man, first thing I noticed is that the strap ain't on there right. And I try to put it in there and that ain't working right. I'm like, okay. And then it has hooks on the back of it as a bra. This ain't going to be comfortable. When you're wearing lingerie, you're trying to get out of it, not be stuck in it. Man, this ain't for me. I had to take this one off and show y'all. Look, it has bra hooks, the one that you got to hook in. Nobody wears lingerie with hooks. You in lingerie because you about to get some. What are they thinking? Man, I said, Well, next item, please. I tried another piece. Check this one out. This lingerie here, it's got the little ruffles on it. It's cute. It has a bra with hooks on it. I'm like, what is going on that they putting bras with lingerie? And then it had the little skirt ruffle, which was cute, but it had a panty on it. Do you know I struggled trying to get this panty on my thighs? Man, this wasn't made for me because, you know, one thing for sure, I got legs. And this wasn't even getting up my legs. So I said, you know what? Next item, please. I am done looking at lingerie. I am just so outdone with this. So I just left it back up on the hanger. And I decided that I would just go ahead and look for a couple of more pieces. On my way out to the register, y'all, I seen this. This sports bra right here has the thin nylon on top with the zippy. And it introduces you to the bra on the inside. I thought that was so cute. And you know, black goes with everything. So I just went on and grabbed it. I didn't even bother trying it on. I just went on and took a size 3 and said, hey. So, and this bra here is $42, and with that hot cash, that made it $21. So definitely when you use the hot cash, that's the better deal because basically it's 50% off of your clothes. Now, a lot of times they are known to do the buy one, get one half. Well, technically, if you break that down, that's only 25% off each item. So this hot cash deal is definitely your better deal. Now, last but never least, I had to pick up some more workout pants. And this is what I got. I got the fatigues with the spandex in them. It's that nylon and spandex material, so it definitely stretches. I did not get a chance to try these on because I was actually going to walk out the door. However, I did get the size 3, so that way it wasn't even no issue. Because when it's stretchy, it's going to form to fit anyway. You know, so you don't have that to worry about. This is that kind of material that, you know, doesn't give very easy. So, and so it'll fit fine for me. And I love fatigue looking clothes. So, and their pants, these, I don't know why it costs so much. This is why I used to hate going shopping, because these clothes cost too much. And if it ain't on sale or it ain't inexpensive, I don't really like it. I just don't. $54. But thank goodness for that hot cash, okay? Because that made it $27, okay? So then it became worth it. Now another 20% off, but I mean, you must smile a little bit more. But it wasn't. But so yeah, that was my Torrid haul. Definitely, whenever they have the hot cash that they're turning those in, that is the best time to shop there, because definitely it's basically like getting 50% off your clothes. They always are doing buy one get one half off on everything. So technically, whatever that price is, you're gonna have 25% off as long as you get it in pairs. So I'm good with the hot cash. I'm probably gonna wait a little bit more. I'm gonna try to really actually get down to this intermittent fasting. I'm gonna check this stuff out. I kind of do stuff like that now anyway. It's just that I need to kind of watch a little bit more of what I'm eating, because when that time frame is up, it's like potatoes. Especially the burger fry. You ever had that in the airport? Oh, y'all. I had that today. That's why I remember it. So, but that's good. It's really, really, really good. I like it. All right. So, just to give y'all the heads up, you know, please make sure you take time out and comment below. You know that if I comment, I always try to sign my SJ right behind it, so you know it was me. If it don't see SJ, you know it's 3 of us that had this channel. So it was probably one of the other 2 that could have commented. Even though I do the most videos, they are still part of the channel, so you don't have to worry about they ain't went nowhere. They still here. It's just that I just actually sit down and try to devote my time to this. So now I'm about to devote some more time and get these DIYs done, because my room is almost done, and I'm going to give y'all a quick tour before, middle, and after. I'm surprised at that room. So anyway, it's your girl SJ with Real Beauty, Real Food, and shopping at Torrid was my life today. And I'm glad that I could take you all along with me so you could experience. It's not always fun shopping. It ain't. It ain't. I think they changed the clothes size. I'm hoping that's what happened. Or you know what? I'm bloated. Maybe that's just it. I'm still bloated. Is that an excuse, y'all? All right. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And again, thanks for coming back to the channel. See ya. That sound right? Bloop, 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 bloop. That's a blooper, y'all. I'm out, y'all. Have a good one.